Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. I hope you guys got the gifts that you desired. I hope your family and friends enjoy spending time with you. And it is time to get back to reality. It's time to get back to putting away the Christmas trees and everything like that. It's time to get back to the cleaning, the resolution, the goal setting that we set for ourselves. And this video today is pretty much going to show you what we're going to talk about. Is I'm going to share some of the things that I have planned for me. I've been wanting this for a while, but what he did was I wasn't comfortable in paying the full price, so we got a pre-love, and I'm telling you, I'm loving it. I'm going to show it to you guys and see what it is. And then I also found I'm going to say it's a dupe to the IRobot Thrifted, so that was awesome. I'm going to show you both and kind of tell you a little bit about both machines. They're awesome. This is it right here. Okay, I'm pretty sure you can see it. And this, I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna look down because I wrote it down. This is the IRobot 671, and it's pretty cool. I love it. Even though it's used, one thing, everything is still this. Everything works fine. When we got it, and we got it from Amazon as well. And of course, my husband told me the price because I want to share that with you guys. So normally to buy this model brand new is like $300. Yeah, but then he got it for like $125. So that's a big savings. That's over 50%. The person, we have the dock. We set up the app. So the way it works is, of course, you're gonna let it charge, and then once it's charged up, you can control it from using the app. And I'm using my phone, but on the app you can see when it's fully charged. You can control it from the app. Okay, and also I'm trying to think what else. So you can control it from the app. You can even, once you connect to Wi-Fi, you can even start this robot if you're not even home, once you're connected to Wi-Fi. And that's been something amazing. Now, what I love about these vacuum is that I love the fact, let it go. Just turn on, it clean all the space. Once it's finished cleaning the space, the entire space, it will go back and dock itself. If for some reason the battery is low, it will notify that the battery is low. If for some reason it's stuck on something, the app will notify that the Roomba is stuck. And as a matter of fact, I have the app that correspond with it. And even though it's not new, I still enjoy the full benefits of having this machine. Right now, this works perfectly for me, and I'm happy and I'm thankful that my husband got it for me, because I really want it, and I really want to try and see how effective it is in regards to having the regular vacuum. And I do vacuum, but honestly guys, I've been using this all the time. You can also take this out. So this where the dust goes in. It's a pretty small section, but honestly guys, it will vacuum an entire space. Many rooms, it will vacuum maybe 3 to 4 rooms before this is filled, and you can just empty that and keep it going. And this is the bottom, so it looks pretty good. So that's an option on, and you can check it out. And you know, with Amazon, if you buy any electronic on Amazon and it doesn't work fine, I think you have 30 days to return it back and you can get your money. So that's something you can look into as well. This other one, this is called the Eufy. Okay, and we got this, well, my husband got this at the thrift store. We got this before he bought that one, so now I have two. And this one is the Eufy. It's Eufy 11, and we got this at the thrift store for less than $20. And yes, it came with the dock. It also comes with a remote, but we don't have the remote. You can also get a remote from Amazon to purchase, and I think my husband said it's less than $20. So I'm thinking about getting that as well. There's no app that is associated with this, not that I'm aware of, but for right now, you charge it and you let it run. It also finds, if the battery is low, it will find itself and dock itself without you taking it to the dock or anything. And of course, everything is operated from the button right here. So this blue button is blue because it's fully charged. So I can just turn down, let it go, and I do that later on in the video. And it still has the same. This is the clip right here, and you empty, kind of pull it out. It's very similar to the iRobot, to the Roomba. Okay, so whether you have it brand new or you're thinking about getting it, honestly, I'm loving them. Seriously, it has pretty much transformed the way I clean my home. And this one, the Eufy regular price is $200, and we got it for, again, less than $20. And that was the Eufy Robot 11, and the other one was the iRobot 671. I will leave the information below in my description. Okay. I don't want to let you guys know what the goal is for my channel this new year. I do plan on recording. I want to record more consistently. My goal is to post 2 videos a week, one on Sunday and one on Wednesday. Moving forward, I thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. This channel, again, is fairly new, and it's all gonna be about me sharing what I know. Me wanting to inspire you guys to do things, and very much on a budget. And as a matter of fact, what I love is home decor, and I love fashion, and that is what this channel will be about. And I thank you guys so much.